Hi guys, sorry I know it's been a while. Oh, hold on. Hi guys, sorry I know it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and had a great start to April with the... sorry, I need a drink. Had a great start to April with the pubs opening. I hope you managed to get to a beer garden and get your nails done and your eyebrows done. I know I certainly am looking a little bit different this time. So I know it's been a couple of weeks. I've been super busy with work and kind of other things that have really made me occupied. So I'm gonna do a series of vlogs for you. So I've not forgotten, I still need to do my Pretty Little Thing vlog, and I did actually upload my glossy box for April, but for some reason it deleted, so I don't actually know why, but you'll get my May box anyway. So today I am doing the Lookfantastic May edition for you. I've had a little sneaky look in this box, and to be honest it looks quite practical, if that makes sense. It's like quite a practical box. It's not really like your typical... I need to sort this out because this is like really close. Sorry, like I'm really thirsty today. Brag on about it all the time, but I'm getting closer every single week. I need your guys' help to get me to 500 subscribers. I am most probably going to give it away before I hit the 500 subscriber mark, just because a lot of you have subscribed and you're continuing to watch me every week. So I will most probably get it when I get a little bit closer to 500 subscribers. So all you have to do is follow me on my socials, my blog and Instagram, which I'll put right here. And you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you then unsubscribe from my YouTube channel, I am not entering you into the competition. So I'm aware that a couple of people, well, more than a couple of people have done that. And I've said this in my previous vlogs, and I don't mean to like put a dampener on it. But I won't be entering you into the competition, unfortunately, because you're not following the rules. Anyhow, so yeah, that's all you have to do. It's a free competition. You'll see like a suggestion at the top of this video that would have popped up of me going for a run through of the products that you could get. So it's totally free, and I've already said that every time I hit a milestone I will most likely do a competition like this. So yeah. Okay, so let's get on with it. So it's the May edition Lookfantastic box. As you guys know, Lookfantastic haven't been the best considering I've only done a 6 month subscription. But anyhow, so as always they give you a booklet, which is the beauty box edit, and it has lots of information and kind of tips and tricks and stuff that you can do. So number 3 is the editor's note, number 4 is what's in the box, number 10 is fast facts, number 12 is life after lockdown, a self-help guide. I think a lot of us could do with something like that right now, because if you're struggling getting out of lockdown, kind of having anxiety and stuff like that, that may help. 16, get lippy and loud. So this has a list of the products, what's in the box. Let's have a little look. So number 1 is the Espa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser. I had a little look at this and it looks really good. I've never used it before, but I do love a good under eye moisturiser. I normally put my Glossy Box moisturiser on underneath my eyes and on top above my brow bones in the morning and at night, and I kind of let it sit there for a couple of minutes before I do anything else, and then I moisturise it in and rub it in, and I really do feel like it kind of prevents the bags that you kind of get underneath your eyes. Some people may totally disagree with me and say that I've got some bags underneath my eyes, but considering I'm not sleeping amazing, I think it does wonders. So I'll be quite excited to use this because my Glossy Box one has nearly gone now, so I can't actually get into the thing. Does this seem the right one? Oh, I like this one. I'm guessing it's this one. But it doesn't say ESPA. That's really confusing. I could be being really thick here, guys. So I think it's this one, and it's 24-hour double hydration cream gel with the double hydrating effects with macro acid, a pool of natural extra, certified fair trade. So let's have a little look. Oh, it is quite cooling on your hand. So it's like a cooling effect, so I guess that kind of would help. You know, like if you've got like quite dehydrated underneath your eyes. Oh, it really is. It smells beautiful as well, actually. So I think it's this one, but the only difference, and I don't know if I'm being really thick here, is the actual tube on the magazine looks like that. So I don't know if I'm just being really thick, but I am assuming it's that one anyway. So next we have a e-cooking peeling mask. Let that focus. There we go. E-cooking peeling mask. So it's quite self-explanatory. Use between 5 to 10 minutes and add moisturiser after. I love a good face mask. I couldn't get my words out then. I love a good face mask. And it's quite a big tub, to be fair. Even though it's only 15ml, you'll get a good couple of uses out of that. Don't panic if your skin turns red. It means it's working. So this will be really interesting to use, actually. Oh, I can't see. There we go. This will be really interesting to use, actually, because I do find that when I'm using like a face mask or anything, I feel like if my skin isn't going red, then it's not working. It must be like the wrong thing. And that sounds really stupid, but I know a lot of people feel like that as well. So yeah, that'll be a really good product to use. The next one is another eye serum. So it's a KW Kiwi Eye Serum. Dr. Botanicals. I can't speak today, guys. It's an eye cooling serum, so let's have a little look at it. So it helps to maintain moisture in this. Honestly, that smells amazing. That product smells. I can smell it like really strongly on my. I can smell it really, really strong. I can't even get into this thing because they've sealed it from the top and the bottom. Obviously, people don't want to get into products. Ooh. So apply in the morning and evening onto clean dry skin around the eye area. And it's a superfood cooling serum. If any of you guys have seen my makeup tutorials, I use like a similar thing to this. But it's like a toner, and I use it all over my face. Oh, that smells really nice too. It really does smell like kiwi, actually. So if you can just see, it's kind of left a little bit of a shine on my hand. And the bottle itself just looks like this. That smells really, really nice. Again, you're not going to need a lot of that, so the bottle is brilliant. It's a really good size. Okay, let's have a look. Which did you receive? So they normally do this quite a lot. So they've got a sponge or the lip balm. So I've received the lip balm. I'm not really a fan of lip balm, if I'm being honest. I feel like it actually makes your lips more dehydrated. I don't know if anyone else agrees with me on that one. I feel like my lips just feel really, really dry. I use a lot of Vaseline on my lips because I feel like that does justice. So this is a Burt's Bees lip balm, and I got the cucumber mint. So I could even got that or the wild cherry, and I got the cucumber and mint. Let's have a little look if I can actually get into the thing. It smells nice. I'll put some on my hand for you. Yeah, I just feel like it doesn't really do much. I feel like when it's on your actual eyes as well. Oh, it smells really nice though. Where you can see anything there. A little bit of a reflection. So It's supposed to moisturise and hydrate. For me personally, lip balm just doesn't work for me. It just makes me lips go really dry and chapped, but that might not be for everyone, so that's just one of them things. So I already looked at this and I absolutely love it. So it is a silicone exfoliating pad. So when you're taking your makeup off, this is going to be so good because you like when you get dry skin around your nose area, this will just literally seep into it. So I'm really excited to use this actually. They give you some, I think a couple of months ago they give us some, you know, them reusable pads, which I still actually use because I got some in my Glossy box, my FabFitFun box and my Lookfantastic box. So I kind of wash a set at night and I use the other set and then while they're drying, and then I can switch it over every night. So I'm always using clean pads, and I've not bought any you know, the cotton pads for ages now, which is brilliant because I literally go through easily 2-3 packs a month. So not only is it better for the environment, it's helped on the not buying it. So next we have some hand moisturiser. I've had these in the last couple of boxes of everything, to be honest, so I've still got a lot. It is vegan and it's cruelty free. Use after hand washing or treatment with hand sanitizer to moisturise. A comfort, help maintain skin balance. 98% natural super blend with vitamin E and shea butter to nourish skin. It has ylang ylang and lavender essential oils to help calm the mind. So let's have a little smell. So this works, do some really good sleep spray. I don't know if you guys have tried it. For me personally, and if you've heard me speak about this before, that this works, sleep spray really works. So I do believe when they say that this will help sort of stress relieve you. I don't know about you guys, but like with all the hand washing and sanitizing, like I used to wash my hands a lot anyway, but with the extra sanitizing, like your hands do definitely need the moisture, because I moisturize twice a day anyway after I get out of the shower. But just with your hands, I can't get into this. So let's actually get into it because that was very difficult. Oh, it smells just like the sleep spray. Oh my god, it smells so nice. So I will use this every single day because it doesn't smell very strong to the point where it's like potent, like really heavy on you. It smells like calm in a bottle. So yeah, this is brilliant for me. Just with all, like I say, with all the hand washing and sanitizing, it just massively helps. So that brings us to our final product, which isn't actually on here for some reason. Just sanitizer. So look at the size of this bottle. This was like gold just last year, wasn't it? I could have sold this for a lot of money last year. So it's just... Motion detected at the front door. Sorry. So this is like gold dust. I literally could have sold this. I could have made a lot of money on these if they would have sent them last year. I'm guessing there's... Yeah, it stinks. There's no smell to hand sanitizer, which is fine, and it's perfect to put in one of my big bags when I'm going to work. So yeah, that's perfect for me. So I can't compare them yet because my Glossy box has not yet arrived, and I haven't even looked at the sneak peek this month to actually see what's in my Glossy box, just because I'm ready to review it with an open mind. As you guys know, I actually preferred my Lookfantastic box last month. So I wonder which one it'll be this month. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Drop me a comment below. Let me know which one out the box was your favourite product, which one you would buy. I've got my Pretty Little Thing vlog probably posting a similar time to this one. So hopefully you guys like that vlog. It's my first clothing vlog, so it's going to be interesting. And I'm also doing a 5 to 10 top summer outfits, and I found some dupes as well, like So I found these amazing shoes in Primark and the same ones in Zara, and the ones in Zara are like £50 and I picked the shoes up in Primark for like £11. So you have to be watching to see which ones I mean. But yeah, have a great day, whatever it is you're doing. Let me know what it is you're doing today, and I will see you soon. Bye!